Hello and welcome to Jeskepa's Road Tips. In today's tutorial, we're showing you how to turn on the heating and use the water heater in a motorhome, campervan or converted van. There are two main types of heating used in motorhomes: gas heating and diesel heating. If there is a water heater, also known as a boiler, it will use the same power source as the heating system. Some extra info. With gas heating, make sure the bottle is opened properly. Then, locate the dial to turn on the heating and set it to the desired temperature. There's no need to turn it all the way up. The temperature will increase gradually. With diesel heating, make sure you have enough fuel before parking. Generally, you need more than a quarter tank for it to work properly. But don't worry, a safety system will shut off the heating if the fuel level gets too low to prevent breaking down. There are many different types of heating and hot water control panels, but they all operate in a similar way. Some vehicle models combine the water heater and heating. In this case, several heating modes will be available: hot water only, heating only, and a mode that activates both the hot water and heating. You will need to choose the setting that best suits your needs. The water heater and heating controls might be separate and located in two different places. To switch off the heating or hot water, simply turn the dial in the opposite direction. For safety reasons, remember to close the gas bottle before hitting the road. If you have any doubts or if your vehicle works differently, don't hesitate to contact the owner for advice. You now know how to turn on the heating and use the water heater in a motorhome, campervan, or converted van. For more advice, take a look at our other road tips videos. Safe travels and see you soon on Jeskepa.